This is URK 19CS1093, experiment number 3, conditional statements using shell script. First question is to check whether the entered number is palindrome or not. So this is the program code for it. First we have to enter the digit, and that will be read into the variable called A, and we are saving $A, the variable, into a variable called no, and then we are giving a reverse is equal to 0 and digit is equal to 0, and using a while loop we are giving $no minus ne to 0. Then we are giving digit equal to that number mode 10. Then in reverse we are giving reverse into 10 plus the digit which we got here, and then for number we are dividing the number divided by 10 to get the remaining digits. And using an if condition we are checking whether the number is equal to the what we got in reverse. If that is equal, then it is a palindrome. If A and REV is not equal, then it is not a palindrome. So let's see the output. So I'm entering a number. So this number 12121 is a palindrome. Let's see another number. This is not a palindrome number. So let's see the next question. Next question is to print the given n numbers in ascending order. We have to use array to store the input values. So this is the code for it. Now we have to enter the array of numbers, and that will be stored into the variable array, and temp to give the temp to store the temporary variable, we'll give temp equal to 0, and then we'll take the length of the array, and using a for loop we'll get the numbers from 0 to till the length of the array. Then we'll do this for the ascending order. We are giving j equal to I plus 1, j less than the length of the given array. J is incremented using an if condition. We are checking whether array of I is greater than array of j. If it is, then it will store the array of I into the variable temp, and array of j to the variable array of I, and then temp's value into array of j. So because we are using if condition to stop if condition, we are using fi, and then we'll print it the sorted array is, and then using another for loop k equal to 0, k less than equal to length k plus plus, we'll print the array sorted ascending array. So let's see the output. So I'm entering the array. So these are the numbers. So it will print it in the ascending order. Next question is to print all the square numbers between 1 to 100. So for that we are using a for loop to get the numbers from 1 to 100, and then using another for loop to get the square of it, j equal to 1, j into j less than equal to I, j plus plus. Then we are checking if j into j is equal to I. If the condition is true, then it will print I. So let's see the output. So these are the square numbers from 1 to 100. So let's see the next question. To find the sum of multiples of 3 and 5 below 1000. For that, we are initializing sum equal to 0. Then we are getting the numbers from 1 till less than 1000. I equal to 1. Starting from 1 till less than I equal to 1000. And for getting the multiples, we are using an if condition. We are checking whether the number is modulus 3 equal to 0 or I modulus 5 equal to number modulus 5 equal to 0. If those are correct, if the condition is correct, then sum equal to sum plus I. Then it will print sum of the multiples of 3 and 5 below 1000. It will print the particular sum. So let's see the output. So the sum of multiple of 3 and 5 below 1000 is 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 8. So let's see the next question. Fifth question is to find the greatest common divisor of two given numbers. You have to input 25, 15 and we have to get 5 as the output. So for that we are entering the numbers like 25 and 15 and we are reading them into two variables m and n. Using a while loop we are checking whether m not equal to n. Then if that condition is true, then we will proceed to the if condition, that is m greater than n. Then if this condition is true, if m is greater than n, then it will store m equal to n minus 1. Else condition is false, then it will store n minus m into n, and then it will print, coming out of it will print the GCD of the two numbers. So let's output 25 and 50 and see whether we'll get 5. So numbers are 25 and 15. So we got the GCD as 5 for 25 and 15. Thank you.